Page 48, Jolly Old St. Nicholas. Cut time or 2/2 time. 2 flats in the key signature. We are in the key of B flat major. Make sure you can do the scale for B flat major, at least 1 octave up and down. Now again, when I learn a piece that's in cut time, I put it in 4/4 time to learn it. And then after I learn it, I put it back in cut time. So for this video, I'm going to talk about this as though it's in 4/4 time and a quarter note gets a count. Let's just check everything, because this is not a piano piece, but we'll do with it. Right hand first. I'm going to connect everything as best I can. 1, 3. So this is the melody I'm protecting. The thumb covers the other part. Second line. If that doesn't work for you, then you're going to have to come here. The third measure, this fingering is good. The third line, same as the first, jump down to the last line. You're here. 1, 3 at the end. I like this fingering very much. So, yeah. Left hand, you just got broken octaves or block octaves. Here. No big deal. Bit, and then the block octaves is second line's third measure. If you have large enough hands, you can do a 4/1 on the F sharp. This is something Franz Liszt pushed when he taught. He used 4th on it. Everyone else would use 5. It's up to you. It's not that one way's right or wrong. There's different ways of doing it. Put the hands together here. The thing I'm pushing here is this fingering for the top note. I like that fingering very much, so please use that if you can. Then you can go back and add the staccatos. This is wrist staccatos here in both hands. Short. See the half notes, those are too neutral. Hang on to those. The wrist staccato. Dynamic wise, this is a fun piece. Just play it out there. Have fun with it. If you possible, play the melody note louder. If not, try and play the right hand louder than the left. So forth. Then speed wise, well, it's a happy piece. Now we put it in cut time. We want to feel it in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can sing it rather quickly, I guess, but that's the idea. It's up to you. It's got to be accurate and no hesitations anywhere, so whatever that is, just try and feel it in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Feel it in 2. That's all. Now again, when you're playing staccato, repeated staccato slowly enough, you want to have your hands on the keys and push down and bounce off each time. Don't come above and hit it from above each time. That's here. I don't want to be above it and hit it. I want to be on it and just bounce off. And I put my hands back on the keys before I play the next one. So we do this, and the play with me, do it that way. Like that, you're just bouncing off. When you go fast, you don't have time to. There you're doing it, but it's a small motion. So it's a small motion there. You're not coming way up here. I'd like to play it very slowly with you. I don't think I need to, but I'm going to. I've done it for all the other pieces in this book. So I'm going to do it in 4/4 time though, where a quarter note gets a count. Let's just play it together slowly. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.